Good day all. My name is KALAISELVI, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, KALAISELVI College of Arts and Science. Mathematics for competitive examinations. In that, we are going to say about two topics. The one is HCF and LCM of numbers. The another one is simplification using Bodmer's rule. Okay. Before we go into the topic, we recall the basic numbers and types of numbers. Okay, so what is number? A number is an arithmetic value used for representing the quantity and used in making calculation. Okay, a number is an arithmetic value used for representing the quantity and it is used in making calculation. Okay, and the next one is type of numbers. There are many type of numbers. The first one is natural number. Natural number, it contains the positive integers from 1 to infinity and it is denoted by capital N. For example, capital N equal to 1, 2, 3, etc. up to infinity. Okay. The next number is whole number. Whole number, it contains non-negative integers and does not contain any fractional and decimal part. And the whole number is denoted by capital W. Okay, so W equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. up to infinity. The next one is integers. So integers, it contains whole number and include the positive set of natural numbers. Okay, and it is denoted by Z and is equal to -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. The next one is real number. So a real number, it contains all the positive and negative integers, fractional numbers and decimal numbers also, and it is denoted by capital R. The next one is rational number. Okay, any number that can be written as a ratio of one number over another number, it is called a rational number. Okay, any number that can be written as a ratio of one number over another number is called a rational number. Okay, it is in the form of P by Q, that is P divided by Q, and it is denoted by capital Q. Okay, the rational number is denoted by capital Q. The next one is irrational number. The number that cannot be expressed as a ratio of one over another is known as an irrational number. Okay, the next one is complex number. So complex number is in the form of a plus bi. Here a and b are the real numbers. Okay, I is the imaginary number. Okay, the next one is even number. The number which are exactly divided by 2, that number is even number and it can be positive or negative. Okay, for example, we take 42. 42 is exactly divided by 2 and gives the value 21. Okay, so here the 42 may be positive or negative, but it is the even number. Okay, the next one is odd number. The number which are not exactly divisible by 2, the number is called odd numbers and it can be both negative or positive. Okay, for example, take 5. Okay, 5 does not divided by 2 and it gives only decimal value, that is 2.5, does not give any whole number. Okay, so it is a odd number. Okay, so these are the basic in numbers. Next, we are going to the topic HCF and LCM of numbers. Okay, so prime numbers. So prime numbers are the number that have two factors only. Okay, the two factors are 1 and the number itself. Okay, that number is called a prime number. Okay, the prime number are the numbers that have two factors only, that is the 1 and the number itself. In other words, the number which is divided by 1 and the number itself is called prime numbers. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, etc. So we take 11. Okay, 11 has two factors. The one is 1 and the another one is the number 11 itself. So it is a prime factor and it's divided by 1 and 11 itself. It gives the whole value, whole number. Okay, so 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, etc. are prime numbers. The next one is composite numbers. A composite number is a number that has more than two factors. Okay, the number which has more than two factors is called a composite numbers. For example, 4 is a composite number and it has the factors 1, 2 and 4. Okay, so it's a composite number, and other examples are 6, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so here 9 has a 3 factors, 1, 3 and 9 itself. So it's a composite number. Note, the number 1 is neither prime nor composite. Okay, mind it. Next, highest common factor HCF or greatest common divisor GCD. Okay, the first topic, and the second topic, least common multiple LCM. Okay, so the formula, product of two numbers equal to product of their HCF and LCM. Okay, co-prime, two numbers are said to be co-primes if their HCF is 1. That means the two number has a common factor is 1. Okay, the number is called co-primes. The first topic, highest common factor HCF or greatest common divisor GCD. Okay, the highest common factor of two or more than two numbers is the greatest number that divides each of them exactly. So that number are called HCF. There are two methods of finding HCF. The one is factorization method, the another one is division method. Okay, the first one, factorization method, express each one of the given numbers as the product of their primes, and the product of least power of a common prime factor gives the HCF. Okay, first we have to find the product of prime of the given number and then we multiply the least power of common factor. Okay, that gives the HCF value. The second method, division method. So to find the HCF of two given numbers, divide the large number by the smaller one. Now divide the divisor by the remainder. Repeat the process of dividing the preceding number by the remainder. Last obtained till 0 is obtained as a remainder. Okay, where the last divisor is required HCF. So we have to find the HCF of two given numbers. We divide the large number by the smaller number, then divide the divisor by the remainder, repeat the process till we get remainder as 0. Okay, the last divisor is required the HCF. So these are the two methods for finding HCF. Next one is LCM, least common multiple. Okay, the least number which is exactly divisible by each one of the given numbers is called their LCM. So LCM means the least number which is exactly divisible by each one of the given numbers is called their LCM. Okay, so there are two methods for finding LCM. The one is factorization, the another one is division method. So factorization method means resolve each one of the following given numbers into product of prime factors. Then LCM is product of highest power of all the factors. Okay, but we take the highest power of all the factors. The next one is division method. So in division method, arrange the given number in a row in any order, divide by a number which divide exactly at least two of the given numbers and carry forward the number which are not divisible. Okay, and repeat the above process till no two of numbers are divisible by the same number except one. Okay, the product of the divisor and the undivided number is required LCM of the given numbers. First we arrange the numbers in a row and divide the numbers exactly at least two of the given numbers. Okay, then we repeat the process finally the product of the divisor and the undivided number, okay, remainder, is the required LCM of the given number. So we multiply the divisor and the remainder. Okay, so these are two methods for finding LCM. Next we see some examples. So first example, find the highest common factor of 36 and 84. Okay, so we have to find the HCF of 36 and 84. So what are the factors of 36 and 84? So 2, 3, 4, 7, 9, okay, etc. So highest common factor, so we take common factors only. So 36 is a factor 2 square and 3 square, and 84 has a factors 2 square and 3 into 7. So here the common factors are 2 square and 3. So 2 square 4, 4 into 3 12. So the HCF is 12. Therefore the highest common factor of 36 and 84 is 12. Okay. The next question is the GCD of 1.08, 0.36 and 0.9. We have to find the GCD of these numbers. Okay, first we convert the decimal numbers into a whole number by multiplying 10, 100, 1000, 600. Okay, so here we take 1.08. okay, where we convert 1.08 into whole number. So after decimal point there are 2 digits, so we multiply 1.08 by 100. okay, next we take 0.36. so after decimal we have 2 digits, so multiply 0.36 by 100. okay, next 0.9, after decimal we have one integer, but in question the other two numbers 1.08 and 0.36 are multiplied by 100, so we have to multiply 0.9 by 100. okay, so we multiply 1.08 into 100, 0.36 into 100 and 0.9 into 100. So we get the whole number 108, 36 and 90. okay, so now we have to find the HCF of this whole number. Then we convert the whole number into decimal. okay, so HCF of 108, 36 and 90 is 18. So it has a common factor 18. So in question there are decimal points, so we convert the whole number 18 into decimal numbers. okay, so we divide 100. okay, so 18 divided by 100 is 0.18. therefore the HCF of given numbers 1.08, 0.36 and 0.9 is 0.18. okay, the next problem is finding the least common multiple of 24, 36 and 40. okay, LCM of 24, 36 and 40. So division method, first we arrange the numbers and divide the numbers. Still the remainder is 1, or then we multiply the divisor and the remainder. okay, so 34, 24, 36, 40. First we divide these numbers by 2, we get 12, 18, 20. The next we divide these numbers by 2, we get 6, 9, 10. Again we divide this number by 3, we get 6 divided by 2, 3, and 9 does not divided by 2, so we get 9 only, and 10 divided by 2, 5. okay, next divide these numbers by 3 divided by 3, 1, 9 divided by 3, 9, 5 does not divided by 3, so we get the remainder of we get the 5. So now we get the remainder 1, 3, 5 and the factors 2, 2, 2, 3. okay, so we multiply the divisor and the remainder. okay, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 1 into 3 into 5. So we get the answer 360. So LCM of this number 24, 36, 40 is 360. Okay. The next sum is find the greatest number that will divide 43, 91 and 183 so as to leave the same remainder in each case. Okay, first we find the greatest number, so highest common factor of these numbers and it gives the same remainder. Okay, so the required number equal to highest common factor of that number, so we subtract each number. Okay, 91 minus 43 and 83 minus 91, 83 minus 43, we get the HCF of 48, 92 and 140 is 4. So 4 is the greatest number that will divide these numbers 43, 91 and 183 and it gives the remainder, same remainder. Okay, the next sum is the greatest number of 4 digit which is divisible by 15, 25, 40 and 75. Okay, what is the greatest 4 digit number? 9999 is the greatest 4 digit number. So we have to find the greatest 4 digit number is divisible by these numbers 15, 25, 40 and 75. Okay, so LCM of 15, 25, 40 and 75 is 100. So we have to divide the number by greatest 4 digit number by 600. Okay, well, the remainder is 399. Okay, so 9999 minus 399 gives 9600. So 9600 is the greatest number of 4 digit which is divisible by these numbers 15, 25, 40 and 75. The next example is 3 numbers are in the ratio 3:4:5 and their LCM is 2400. Find their HCF. Okay, so let the numbers 3x, 4x and 5x and their LCM is 2400. So we multiply the ratio of numbers 2 into 4 into 5. Okay, we get 60x. Okay, so 60x equal to 2400, therefore x equal to 40. Then substitute the x values in 3x, 4x, 5x. So 3 into 40, 4 into 40, 5 into 40. So we get the required HCF is 40. Okay, well, the next sum is A, B and C start at the same time in the same direction to run around a circular stadium. Complete a round in 252 seconds, B in 308 seconds and C in 198 seconds. All starting at the same point. After what time will they again at the starting point? Okay, so in a circular stadium, A, B and C are start running. A complete the round in 252 seconds, B 380 seconds and C 198 seconds. Okay, well, after what time will they again at the starting point? We have to find this point. So find the LCM of 252, 308 and 182. Okay, so LCM of this number is 2772. Okay, so we convert this into seconds, so divided by 60. 2772 divided by 60, we get 46 minutes and 12 seconds. So after 46 minutes and 12 seconds, they will again meet the starting point. Okay, so these are the examples of HCF and LCM of numbers. The first topic is over. Next we move on to the second topic. The second topic is simplification using Bode's rule. Okay, so abbreviation of Bode's rule is BODMAS. The meaning is bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So first we solve by this order. First we have to solve the bracket, next division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Okay, suppose in question we have get of of, it means nothing but multiplication, that is bracket. So first sum, solve 10 plus 10 into 10 divided by 10. Okay, so by using board mass tool, the first one is division, multiplication and then addition. Okay, so here we have to find first division 10 by 10. So 10 by 10 is 1, 1 into 10, 10. Next 10 plus 10, 20. So the answer for this question is 20. So next question, 8 plus 8 of 8 divided by 8 minus 34 divided by 5. By using board mass rule, of must be solved before division. Okay, so bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So in that question we have to first find of. So 8 of 8. So of means nothing but multiplication bracket. So 8 plus 8 into 8 divided by 8 minus 34 by 5. So we get 8 plus 64 divided by 8 minus 34 by 5. So after that we divide the number 64 divided by 8. So we get 8 plus 8. 64 divided by 8 is also 8. So 8 plus 8 minus 34 by 5. So 8 plus 8 means 16. So 16 minus 34 by 5. So we get 46 by 5 as the answer. Okay. The next question is 20 plus 20 into 20 divided by 20 and by 20 into 20 plus 20. Okay. So by using board mass rule, we solve this equation, we get 1 as an answer. The next one is cube root of 125 minus square root of x equal to 3. Okay, we have to find the question mark. Okay, what is the cube root of 125? So which number is multiplied by 3 times, we get 125 is 5. So 5 into 5 into 5, we get 125. So cube root of 125 is 5. So 5 into minus square root of x, we have to find that x, which is equal to 3. So we have to find root x, so kept it in right side and change the for plus 5 in left hand side, we get minus 5. So 5 minus 3, which is equal to root x. So root x equal to 2, and for cancelling the square root, we multiply by 1 by 2 on both sides. So square root of x in whole power into whole power 1 by 2 equal to 2 power 2, we get x equal to 4. Okay. So next sum, solve 30% of 300 plus x percentage of 50 equal to 60% of 400. Okay, here 30% means 30 by 100, 60% means 60 by 100. Okay, of means multiplication here. So 30% of 300 means 30 by 100 into 300 plus x percentage of 50 means we have to find the x. So x percentage means x divided by 100 into 50, which is equal to 60% means 60 divided by 100 into 400. Okay, so we solve this equation, we get 90 plus x by 2 equal to 240. So we have to find x value, so kept it x by 2 in the LHS side and transfer the 90 into OH side, we get x by 2 equal to 150. Therefore x by 2 equal to 150, we multiply 150 into 2. So therefore x equal to 150 into 2, 300. So 300% of 50. Okay. The next sum is solve 6162 plus x plus 3330 equal to 2545. Okay, so we have to solve by Bode-Mar's tool. Here we have all additions in operation. So subtract these numbers. First add 6162 and 3330 and then subtract it by 2545. Okay, we get the answer is minus 6947.